Hi, I'm Kalinda, and today I wanted to talk to you about the power of decluttering. Now, if you've ever seen this book, The Life-Changing Magic Art of Tidying by Marie Kondo, I was lucky enough to get this as a Christmas present actually in 2015. And initially, how it happened is I was a mom of two beautiful young girls. And I was a single mom, so I was super busy doing things. And one of my biggest frustrations was keeping the house clean because I like a tidy environment, but everybody's busy being busy, right? And um, sometimes the things in the house weren't as clean as I wanted them to be. And so I would get frustrated. You pick up a mess, and as quick as you pick it up, it seemed to get messy. And so I remember that the conversations in the house were always, oh, why can't you keep your room clean? Or why can't you pick up after yourself? Anybody else have those conversations? I don't think I'm the only one that's had them. But one year for Christmas, I had been doing coaching and mentoring and reflexology sessions and a whole bunch of things to help people improve their lives. My oldest daughter for Christmas got me this book. And it really sucks when your kids start telling you what you've been preaching for a long time. And if anybody has followed me for any length of time, one of my big sayings is you don't battle the symptom, you fix the cause. And so when she gave me this book, she goes, Mom, you don't battle the symptom, you fix the cause. I'm like, got it. And I ended up that year, we went to Vegas for Christmas, and I read the book and I couldn't wait to get home, got the flu. And so I was in bed. I had to wait, but I took a week off. And when I took a week off, I implemented the principles in this book in order to be able to declutter my house. And let me tell you, it was absolutely incredible, because what happened was the weight of responsibility was lifted, and it was absolutely amazing to just be surrounded with the things that you actually like, not the, oh, I should keep that because, or that outfit didn't fit, or I'm just wearing it because it fits, or feeling guilty because the stuff in the closet doesn't fit. So I remember I did a massive declutter, and not everybody does things this way, but I went through my entire house, and there was 111 bags, either donated, chucked, or sold. When I was left, it didn't actually feel like I got a whole bunch of stuff gone. So I'm not exactly sure what it was that left, but the things that remained, I was eternally happy with. Since that time, I mean, I've gone through and I've collected things and checked things, but the most important thing that I learned is your physical space is great to declutter. It's also important to declutter your thoughts, because there's so many things that don't serve you. And so when you look at your life and what it is that you want to improve, there's that little voice in your head. Did you know not everybody has that little voice in their head? I have that little voice in my head, and it natters between my ears about all the things I should do, oh, I can't believe I didn't do's. And it takes up way too much energy and headspace. So if for just a moment you can imagine taking that little voice and putting a muzzle on it, imagine how many more things you could get done. And so just being able to take the time to be able to focus on the most important thing for the day is a good way to help you to start decluttering the thoughts. And if you want to declutter the space, highly recommend this book. All right. Thanks for listening today. And I hope that you have a great weekend, because I'm recording this on a Friday. Most importantly, if there is something that you need help with, I do offer some strategy sessions. And coming up next month, I'm actually going to be offering some monthly trainings that you can participate in. If you want to know more information about that, just send me a message and I'll be happy to discuss it with you. I hope that you do have a great weekend. I hope that your weekend is lighter because you've decluttered your thoughts and potentially your space. Bye for now.